Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are talking about 5 awesome watches that over-deliver, give you stylish specs and cool designs. These are watches that'll make you question why some brands with the same specs charge hundreds of dollars more. This is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. Okay, fellas, let's do a really quick wrist check. Today, I am wearing the Militado Murph homage, classic cathedral hands, a bold black dial, super legible with a clean layout, just seals the deal for me. Just a slick, everyday watch that fits in everywhere from casual to business. All right, now the good stuff. Okay, here we go. Up first is the Ratio Street Racer Chronograph. This thing is pure style and energy. It's sporty, modern, and the color variants are absolutely stunning. From stealthy black to racing-inspired accents. I mean, check out these colors. This is just gorgeous. Spec-wise, you're getting a smooth, sweeping mecha quartz chronograph movement for precise timekeeping, a beautiful, refined 316L stainless steel case, a solid 200 meters of water resistance, and a comfortable, sporty stainless steel bracelet. And at $189, it feels like a premium motorsport watch without the premium price attached. If you want something bold that gets attention, this is the best way possible. This one here hits the gas hard. Next up, and this one just blows my mind on value, it's the Zeppelin LZ127 Graph series. These are German-made watches for under $200, which is just insane. You're getting an elegant, pilot-inspired style and a reliable automatic movement, a stunning domed crystal for that vintage aviation look, a high-quality leather strap, and this baby is designed and assembled in Germany. Zeppelin nails that nostalgic 1920s era charm as good as anyone, and they have several designs within the LZ127 series. It's refined, classy, and feels like a much more expensive timepiece. If you want European heritage and unique character on your wrist for a killer price, the LZ127 delivers. This is probably my next purchase. Hey guys, real quick, I want to remind you about the giveaway we have coming up next week. To be eligible for the Pagani Design PD 1766, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and simply say, "Hey dude," in the comments section. Easy peasy. We are at the third watch of the day, and with this video, we hit the ground running, and we refuse to stop the momentum now. This is watch number 3, the Orient Defender. Now, this is a legend in the affordable field category, but I still feel like it doesn't quite get the spotlight it deserves. Specs include an in-house Japanese automatic movement, the F6822. It has a stoic military-style dial with day date and 24-hour subdial, solid lume, rugged stainless steel case, and 100 meters of water resistance. It measures in at 42 millimeters in case diameter, 48 millimeters in length, and a manageable 12 millimeters thick. It's tough, it's reliable, it's versatile, and just a great everyday tool watch. The Defender is the definition of value, and it belongs in every collection. If interested, you can grab this one for around $185, which to me is just crazy. Next up is the Bulova Surveyor Automatic, and this baby starts at $220. Bulova is giving us some serious quality, and here's what you get. A solid Japanese automatic movement with a visible exhibition caseback, a number of beautiful sunburst dial choices like the rich green or maybe this burgundy here. These colors just pop. It has a sweet 39 millimeter case, 46 millimeters in length and 12 millimeters thick. This guy is rugged, yet has a refined look that just works with a dress shirt or denim. Bulova knows style, and the Surveyor feels clean, classy, and surprisingly premium on the wrist. One of the best entry-level autos on the market. And flexing its way into the 5th position if you want something with military blood running through its veins. Check out the Aviate Hawker Hunter Atlas Dual Time Chronograph. This is a pilot watch with attitude, and it's inspired by the iconic Hawker Hunter fighter jet. You get dual time functionality so you can track 2 time zones at once, a solid chronograph complication, a sweet military aviation style case design, bold lume, and I really love the dial layering. The Hawker Hunter series starts around $175, and that's incredible for this level of detail and complexity. The AV8 is known for storytelling on the wrist, and this one just nails it. In case you're wondering, the case is 44 millimeters in diameter and 14 millimeters thick. Well, there you go, 5 awesome watches and a wrist check that pack performance, personality, and pedigree. We'll put links in the description just in case you want to know more. Go there, check them out, see if they're right for you. Just remember, if you decide to make a purchase, My Dude Watch may get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. All right, it's time to wrap it up, so we will close the show. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch. We'll do it all again next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.